Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best standing lamps that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have LEPOWER metal floor lamp. With the help of 4 different color options, you have plenty of choices when going with this light. Also, when you look at the construction, you will realize that it consists of a metal lampshade. Along with the weighted base, you can place it anywhere quite easily. It consists of a gooseneck, which means that you can adjust the lighting angle as per your requirement. It is compatible with various bulbs, which means that the light source can be chosen according to your needs. The on-off switch makes it easy for you to control the light. Also, it consists of a heat radiator on the back side, which means that the efficiency of the standing lamp is on the higher side. So, if you're looking for an efficient standing lamp, you shouldn't ignore this option. Moving on at number 4, we have Globe Electric Holden Floor Lamp. If you're looking for a minimalistic floor lamp, you should go with this one. In spite of the minimalistic design, it is highly sophisticated. Also, it is available in 5 different color options as well. The metal construction means that it can stand the test of time. With the help of 5 feet cord, attaching it to the electric socket is not a problem. It is also compatible with any 60W bulb, which is another advantage. Due to the minimalistic design, it occupies very little space as well, which is an added advantage. Thus, when looking for something vintage and minimalistic, you need not look any further. At number 3, we have Floor Lamp, LED Floor Lamp. The advantage of this standing lamp is that it comes along with the LED light. The LED bulbs can save you a significant amount of power. It consists of a 9W highly durable bulb. It can produce up to 800 lumens. Another advantage of this lamp is that the LED bulb can last for up to 40,000 hours. It means that you need not replace it anytime soon. The lamp is available in 2 different color options. Additionally, the LED emits no heat, which means that it is suitable for any room. The design is such that you can move it around quite quickly. The assembling is easy as well, which is another advantage. Thus, in terms of efficiency, it is one of the best options on this list. At number 2, we have Elegant Designs LF2002. With 6 different color options, you have plenty of choices when going with this standing lamp. A unique feature of this lamp is that it consists of 3 light sources. The first one is suitable for the 100W bulb, and the other 2 are ideal for the 60-watt bulb. The lamp is compatible with most of the bulb specifications. Around the light source, there will be a glass shade, which ensures that the light disperses properly. The dimensions of the lamp are 13 inches by 21.5 by 71 inches. With the help of bronze finish, you will get the vintage aesthetics quickly. With minimal assembling required, it is easy to use. If you're looking for a standing lamp with multiple light sources, you should consider this one. And finally at number 1. IKEA 101.398.79 knot floor uplight lamp. The height of the lamp which we are discussing now is 69 inches. The base diameter is 10 inches, and the shade diameter is 11 inches. With the help of shade around the light source, you can be sure that heat will not get directed along with the light. The assembling is pretty easy to do. It means that you can start using the lamp right away. Additionally, maintaining and cleaning isn't a problem. You have to dust it with a regular cloth. The minimalistic design means that it is suitable for any room. If you need the diffusion of light, this one is a great choice. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.